Hi everyone, welcome to another Little Bits of Learning video in the area of math. This week we are going to play a game called Race to the Target, and it allows you to choose whatever number feels appropriate for the people that are playing. So your target might be 10, your target might be 20, your target could be 100, your target could be 1,000. If your child is able, before you jump from say 20 to 100, try jumping to a number that's off of a decade. So maybe try your target to be 27 or your target to be 52. One thing that you could do is think about what day of the month it is. So if it's the 24th, maybe your target that day is 24. And what happens is the deck will stay in the middle of the playing space, and you might have a player on each side. And you'll take turns drawing a card and then adding that to a running total to determine what your target is. So today we'll make our target 23. And so we want to get to 23. And we'll think about how we can get there. And the main goal is just to be trying different strategies to put numbers together and think about how to make new tens or how to put numbers together in a way that you don't always need to write them down and or use your fingers to count. It's okay if your child is doing that, but by practicing this over and over and thinking about ways to be flexible in our thinking, your child will start to become fluent with their facts in the way that you probably are as an adult. So you got a 10 and I got a 2. So your current total is 10 and I have a 2. If you want, when you're looking at who has a greater number, you could let the person collect them. There's really no point in, there's no winning by who has the most cards at the end, but it gives you somewhere to put them. And it also allows you to think about greater than or less than. So next round, you got an 8 and I have a 4. So I have 10 and 8. Well, I know that when I add a 1 to a 10, that means 10 plus 8 is 18. You have an 18, I have a 4. 4 and 2 more, that's 6. Now your child might present 4 and then present 2 and count all. That happens sometimes. You can ask your child to think about, okay, well, if I know I have 4, can I just show 4 and then count 5, 6 to show 2 more instead of starting all the way from the beginning and counting everything? Okay, next round, 10, you went over. You're at 28. I got 1, I have 7. There's 2 things you can do here. A challenging strategy would be to determine how far from the target number you are. So you're over the target number by 5, right? I'm not to the target number by 16. I'm pretty far. So our scores might be 5 and 16. I hope that you enjoyed this little bits of learning for this week. If you try this game or any variation of the game, I'd love to hear how it went for you.